Hello friends, this is Avijit here. Welcome back to my channel Crafting with Avijit. Today in this video I am making a desk organizer. So let's get started. At first I am taking a 20 into 20 centimeter craft paper and fold it in half. And again fold the two part in half and unfold it. Now fold in four parts from this side. Next fold the all corners. And fold the two sides. Now flip it, fold it half. Unfold and again fold the two sides. Next I am taking a 5 into 10 centimeter craft paper and placed it into this. Now place this side in the other side. I made one more. Now join the two with glue. In the next step, I am taking a thinner cardboard and paste it onto this using glue. Let it dry. And now cut the edges of the cardboard. Our desk organizer is ready. If you like my video, please press the thumbs up and share it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.